phase you're in. Managing expenses seems to get in the way. Not anymore. Inc., the small business card from Chase, introduces John, an on-the-go expense app made exclusively for Inc. customers. Custom categorize your expenses anywhere. Save time to get back to what you love. The latest innovation only for Inc. customers. Learn more at chase.com/Inc.
With all the opinions about stocks out there, how do you know which ones to follow? The equity summary score consolidates the ratings of up to 10 independent research providers into a single score that's weighted based on how accurate they've been in the past. I'm Howard Spielberg of Fidelity Investments. The equity summary score is one more innovative reason serious investors are choosing Fidelity.
Get 200 free trades today and explore your next investing idea.
His words carry weight that would break a less interesting man's jaw. He's won trophies for his game face alone. He bowls overhand. He is the most interesting man in the world. I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Dos Equis. Stay thirsty, my friends.
Connect for Xbox 360, the season's hottest games, and sweatbands. Get low prices on the season's hottest games, like Just Dance 3 for Connect for Xbox 360, rated R1 and up. Backed by our Christmas price guarantee. Save money, live better. Walmart.
Saturday. Silence's hit series Oddities is on the move and weirder than ever.
What is that?
What the? Would you like to see?
It's got a salty taste.
Oh, trust me on that one.
This is Balance from a small hybrid child.
It's a prostate warmer.
What's the price?
$5,000.
$10,000.
The Science of the Strange returns. All new Oddities. Premiering Saturday at 9 on Science.
Mucous membrane.
Animatronics is the construction of robotic puppets that move in a lifelike way. You often see animatronic characters in science fiction movies.